Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the section 498A of IPC, Indian Penal Code, which deals about cruelty. The same section, the same content, the contents of the same section repeated in the new act. It comes in 85 and 86 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanghita. So the question now I am going to discuss about a judgment which is which recently pronounced by our Supreme Court, in which the question is whether a cruelty case can be filed against the girlfriend of the husband. So as far as the section, say 498A, which again comes under the section which is reflected as section 85 of the BNSN Act, where it says husband or relative of the husband of a woman subjecting her cruelty shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may be extended to 3 years and shall also be fined. So as per this section 85 of the BNS Act, or as per the 498A of the old Act, a wife can file a complaint as against the husband, or a complaint on behalf of a woman can be made as against the husband or the relative of the husband who subjected such woman to cruelty. So the word cruelty is explained in section 86 of the BNS Act, which says that cruelty means any willful conduct which is of such nature as is likely to drive the woman to commit suicide or cause grave injury or danger to the life, limb or health of the woman. So in order to be a cruelty, the willful act of the accused should cause the woman or drive the woman to commit a suicide or cause grave injury or danger to life or limb to the woman. So this is the element required to attract the cruelty. So supposing a woman committed suicide or she has incurred any injury or danger to his life, a cruelty case can be filed as against husband or as against the relative of the husband. Now the question is whether such case can be filed as against the girlfriend of the husband. That is an issue which is decided in the case SLP CH number 3421 of 2023, which is reported in Live Law 2024 Supreme Court 988. I'll refer the citation in the description. So in this case, the complaint was made as against the husband as well as the girlfriend, and the charge sheet was framed and case was initiated as against the girlfriend of the husband. So the girlfriend moved the High Supreme Court and challenged this case and applied for remedy to quash the complaint on the ground that such type of case is not maintainable as against the girlfriend of the husband. Ultimately, the court held that court quashed the complaint as against the girlfriend and stated that the word relative, the girlfriend will not come within the definition of the relative. So here the section 85, which clearly says that the husband or the relative of the husband can be punished. So who are our relative? So the court held that a girlfriend or a woman with whom a man has had romantic or sexual relation outside the marriage could not be considered as a relative. So the girlfriend will not come within the definition of within the category of definition within the category of relative. In another case, which was referred in this judgment, which is reported in 2009 6 SCC 757, here the word the relative was explained. In this judgment, the court held that only a person who has related to a husband by way of blood or adoption can be considered as a relative. So, in order to be a relative, that relative should be related to the husband either by way of blood or by way of adoption. By mere being a girlfriend, she cannot be termed as a relative. That is a judgment given by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court caused this complaint as against the girlfriend. So this is an interesting judgment. I hope you will enjoy this. News about this case. So, in order to enrich your knowledge, you may watch my channel. There are two channels. Razyak Law Tube is a Tamil channel. Razyak Law Tube is an English channel. Razyak Sattamarium is a Tamil channel. There are a lot of videos. You may watch my videos and enrich your knowledge, and you can clarify all of your doubts. In addition to that, if you have any specific doubts, you may contact me to the cell number. If time so permits, I will try to give you a necessary legal opinion or legal assistance as may be required to clarify your doubt, subject to my time and availability. Thank you. Goodbye.